Hello, welcome to my channel. I will be unboxing my mont marte tabletop easel. I love this easel because it's easy to set up and it literally doesn't even need a set. It needs setting up and it's suitable for my work. I just need to place it on a flat surface to work with. It has a leather handle with beautiful fittings and really strong for carrying about. And it also has this supports under which helps it from moving while walking with, so it stays in place. You unclick this at the back and lift it up to set the easel. It has a little support leg at the back and notches which can be used to adjust the angle of the easel. And you retract the inches in the front to set it up, and this is where you place your artwork while working. Box at the front. To open the storage box, you unclick the two laser clips at the front. The drawer has dividers which are fixed in place with glues. Yeah, it is. The dividers are fixed in place. You can rearrange it or change the positions of the dividers. So you just arrange your stuffs in there like that. So I'll be arranging some of my art tools in the drawer. My brushes. Oops. Oh no. I guess it's too long. Then we'll just go with the smaller brushes then. I got those beautiful big markers. Chisel head markers. My fine liners. Marker. Calligraphy pen. Duct tape. Sharpener. Eraser. Some acrylic paint. I'm not sure this is gonna fit, but let's see. There you have it, well arranged. Now I'm closing it. Oops, I think it's stuck. Okay, better. Then you click it back to prevent it from opening by carrying and falling off. I'm placing my artwork on it to show you guys how it looks. Wow, this is so beautiful. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.